This 2023 Entegra Coach Accolade XT 32U is a Class Circa RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Entegra coach is 34 feet 3 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, water heater, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, air conditioning, refrigerator, smoke detector, slideout, LP detector, microwave, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, couples coach, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. This 2023 Entegra Coach Accolade XT 32U is built on a Ford F550 chassis and is powered by a Powerstroke engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.